Hello and welcome to the Edges of Earth. My name is Brock. Today I'm with Krishna. We're in, what's the name of this place?
Hosur.
Oh yeah, so we're in Hosur and we're going to go to...
Denkani Kotai.
Yeah, there. It's like a forest, yeah?
Yeah.
So we're going to a forest to cook some lunch and explore a bit, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. So we stopped for a moment on the side of the street to look at some roses. We had some pink roses a moment ago, now there's yellow roses, and you said that they use these for just scent and making like necklaces, yeah? Garlands, which is a necklace, right? I don't know.
This will be normal.
So we met up with your friends, they're kind of behind us. We're all going on motorbikes through this small village in the mountains to go to a different area in the mountain to have lunch, I think. Yeah? I don't know what's going on. I'm trying to explain to people what's going on, but I don't know what's going on. So anyway, I think we had to buy tinfoil. So we're traveling along this 2-track, and the scary part is we see a lot of elephant poop all over the ground. Now, Krishna here is not nervous, but I'm a little bit nervous because if one were to come out and charge us, where do we go? There's no side trails.
So you can see dung.
Yeah. Look at this. Dung is everywhere. Keep going. Don't stop here. Everything is brush and thorns, and the elephant can plow through it no problem, but there's nowhere to go. So after like a 2-hour ride from Krishna's house, we finally made it out here. It's super beautiful. Krishna's friends brought all kinds of food. We're basically going to cook out here in the middle of a mountain forest. There's like a little river here also. We just have to keep our eyes and ears open for elephants. That's the only thing that makes me concerned. There's elephant dung everywhere, and I would really, really not want to catch an elephant on a bad day. So we have a chicken and spices, and how are you going to cook this whole thing?
We'll just cover this with silver foil and burn it in the fire.
So as we're standing here, the forest fire we see off in the distance, it's getting thicker and closer, I guess. So I don't know, I guess we are going back this way a little bit so we don't burn to death. Yeah, it's definitely getting blacker. It's coming. If you listen close, you can hear the fire burning. It is massive. The pops and the crackles. Yeah, I think it's best if we move quickly.
It's a Syrian fire.
Okay. So we found a new spot, but literally the smoke is becoming even darker, thicker, and we can hear all of the trees just burning. And the wind is basically going this way, so now I think we have to find a new location. We came here to cook chicken, but I guess Mother Nature wanted us to be cooked.
Okay, comfortable.
So So this is definitely the first time I've went two tracking on a Ninja in a forest. Normally these bikes are for the street, yeah?
No, I'm riding it on track.
Yeah, but we're going through the desert forest with cactus everywhere and elephants. So we left the forest fire, went on another hour journey through the mountains. Now we came to a new location. We're hiking up here, finding a new spot to start cooking. I couldn't really film much because I was on the back of the Ninja and holding on for dear life, so I couldn't really film at the same time. So anyway, we're still walking through the forest. I don't know, I'm just following these guys. Hopefully they find a cool spot. And we are all hungry because it's like almost 3 o'clock. Haven't even started cooking yet. So everybody's stomach is like growling. Oh, you got the hard job. Oh my god. I think they officially found camp. So they set up shop. They actually started cooking a chicken inside tinfoil over a fire that they started. They started another fire over here, put a pot of water in there, and now they are boiling noodles. Looks like we attracted a friend. You can smell the chicken and the noodles. Alright, so the wait is over. They finished cooking the chicken and they call it Maggi, that's the brand. It's right, it's noodles. So I'm very curious what this tastes like. Did you try it? Is it good?
Yeah, awesome.
Yeah. Oh my god. So I expected the chicken to be like really spicy because you use so many spices, but it's not. It has a good flavor. Yeah, I thought my mouth would be on fire. I am nervous about the Maggi because I've seen you dump a lot of shit in there, so. I've never ate noodles with my hands, but this is what you do? Noodles. Really? Okay. Oh, it's really hot. I'm going to melt my fingertips. Oh, that's really hot. I tried to put it in my mouth quick so it didn't burn me, but I got it all over. I thought for sure that this would be super spicy. First time eating noodles with my hands, I think. Maybe not. I don't know. I can't remember. Yeah, the noodles are much more spicy than the chicken. I've seen you guys dump a lot of red powder in there. Anyway, so yeah, today was interesting because everything fell apart when we got there and we had the big forest fire, then we had to leave. Then we drove for an hour in the mountains to come here. And yeah, it's a beautiful place though. We're like in the middle of a forest on the side of a mountain. I haven't had signal for hours and hours on my phone, so I have no idea where I'm at. I just have no idea. Yeah, interesting day. So yeah, if you're in the neighborhood, I recommend that you go on a mountain and eat some chicken cooked over a fire. It's pretty cool. So now I'm following them into the forest a little bit. They said that there's a viewpoint up ahead, a beautiful viewpoint, so I'm very curious to see, curious to see what it looks like, but it sure doesn't feel good. This is full of just hundreds of thorns. I gotta pick the thorns out of my fingers now.
Go, go, go.
Thanks. I feel like there's a tiger or something going to eat us. Ow! Yeah, I keep getting thorns in my skin. I'm the one who has all of the equipment attached to my body, and it really hurts. This viewpoint is amazing. How do we get up here? Yeah. Yeah, actually, that'll be perfect. Wow. Yes. This is amazing. Check this out. We have more videos coming soon of this area, so stay tuned. Anyway, that's it. Thank you all for watching. Remember, your time is running out. Start living and eat some chicken in the forest.